alaikum. So today I'm just going to share you the training videos. Okay, how we are basically going to run the procurement cycle, and then I will share you another video related with the selling cycle. So you can have the understanding once again, and for the references you can use these videos later on. So this will be helpful towards you. So once you just log in inside, I'm just going to talk about the buying cycle first of all regarding your material request and the quotations and the purchase orders. So I'm just going to show you this thing first of all. So right now here, if I talk about this ERP, once you are logging into the system, you go towards the buying module. Okay, so inside the buying model, you have this complete overview, the reporting element, the shortcut buttons, and the reports and master section. So first of all, if I just talk about first of all the supplier, before moving towards the process, I'll just review you about the master items, master data of this buying module. So first of all, just go towards the supplier, and you see your multiple suppliers. They are listed along with their supplier names, groups, and their supplier IDs or the supplier codes. So once you are going to create a new supplier ID, you have to click on add button there. Provide the supplier name, provide its name in Arabic if you want to, provide the supplier group, supplier type, or whether it is individual or the company. And on the text section, you can define the text IDs. Similarly, on the address and contact side, you can define their primary address and the primary contact person. The contact person is who is the contact person basically related with the client or the supplier. Then you can define the default payment terms, or if you want to, and if there is any default account, you can define the default account here on that item table on this table basically. So this is the supplier master. You just save it and submit it. So supplier will be created here in the supplier list section. Say so if I just go back towards the buying module now. So now moving towards the process, which starts from the material request. So you see this material request button here. Click on it. You will just redirect it towards the material request side, and all of your previous material requests will be shown here. So you just click on add material request. Your store person will be basically controlling this, or your procurement person can also do this, because this is required when you do not have enough items available within your warehouse. So you create a purchase request for that thing. So first of all, you have to select the purpose as purchase, because you are going to procure this item. Then here you have to define the required by date. Required by date is basically the date at what time you want to receive those items within your warehouses. Then you have this item table here. There you have to select the item that you want. And so for example, let's suppose I am going to request these two items. Say so you select those two items there, define its quantities, how much quantity you want basically to receive, and you can define target warehouse in which warehouse you want to receive those items. So you can just pick and choose the defined warehouse. Sahi, so this is basically the on the material request document. You select the purpose as purchase, define its required by date, transaction date, select the item, select its quantities, and define the target warehouse. Then save the document and submit the document. So after submitting the document, the system will generate the purchase request. Also you can see its request document reference. So once this reference is assigned, what you can do, you can basically define the, you can basically tag the next person to remind him to create the RFQ or to create the purchase order. So you just come here and tag that person basically. Select him and just define him here. Say so. This is how you are going to create the material.